Hello, welcome back guys to Spotoria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to watch movies in Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I hope guys click subscribe on the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, simply you just have to go ahead to this Terabox applications, and after if you wanna watching some movies, series or etc, simply you just have to tap on this search bar at the top. Now just tap for the movies or the series title. For example, here I'm gonna open this series, and now we have to wait for a second. It will be served this one here guys. If you wanna watching some movies or the series, just go ahead to display options, for example like this, and it will be served this page, which is you can watching some series or movies in this page. This is the first episode, second episode, and etc. You can choose another movies or series here at the bottom. Just scroll it down. So yeah, I think it's enough guys for me, a tutorial how to watch movies in Terabox on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.